What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will review iPhone 7 on the latest iOS 14.2 beta 4. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video. So first of all, here you can see it is the iPhone 7 indeed, I'm not kidding. The iPhone 7 right now. So what's my opinion? First of all, I want to share my opinion. So I don't know why Apple is doing it, but Apple on iOS 14, especially to older devices, to iPhone 6s and to iPhone 7, people are experiencing real slowdown. And even though, let me show you my battery percentage. So if you I would go on the battery section, you can see my battery percentage is 100%, and it should not happen to a device with 100%. I'm getting really bad battery life on. Yeah, I'm not talking about only betas. I've used it on public versions too, and here you can see last charge level 56% 1 hour ago, and I'm using it on low power mode and it is 40%, and that's like really bad battery life for an iPhone with 100% battery life. So yeah, I see Apple doing something here. So if you also have an iPhone 7 and using it on the latest firmware, on betas, or on even on normal public versions, please let me know how is the battery life, because I really want to know. So next thing is the bug with social stats. So I have shared this app with a lot of people on my previous video. So this app is really dope app, but whenever you close the internet of your device, it just bugs out. Like here you can see, if I would click here, if you can see here it's 1K, but if I would go to home, it is showing 0. Like why? And even though if I would just turn on my internet, then also it won't refresh until I visit the app. Like I've turned on the internet, and here you can see, man, like it is not refreshing. So yeah, there is that. Talk about the storage. So how many storage did I got, or my storage is less after this? So first of all, talking about the build number is A1778. So this is the build number. This is the latest build number of iOS 14.2 beta 4. So yeah, there is that. And after yeah, and seriously, for people living in India and probably in many countries, we are still not getting the exposure notifications. Like why we are not getting it? Please address this as soon as possible. I really want to use exposure notification. People are just sending me screenshots where this is working. I'm really jealous from them. Like this looks so damn dope. Now next thing is the camera performance. So camera on iOS 12, remember the time when they said the camera opening will be faster? Yeah, that at that time iOS 12 camera opening was real quick. It was almost same as the latest devices. But right now, man, the speeds are just awful. Like on low power mode, of course, you will see a low speed, and yeah, here you can see the speed is really slow. Like all right, you on the camera you may not notice, but earlier when I used iOS 12 and even on 13.5, my device was real quick. But after upgrading to iOS 14, nothing is the same as earlier. So there is that. So if you are on beta and you will be updating to this firmware, I would say wait for some time, because still it is not a perfect time to update your device. It still have a lot of bugs, and I won't recommend anyone to update to this firmware right now if you are owning an iPhone 7. But though there are these wallpapers which look really damn cool, and the quality is also really good. So I have provided full quality. These I have provided these on my Google Photos. You can join that. Link is in description. If you are not on this firmware, don't worry, I got you covered. You can just download these. These are really full quality. I have full quality images on my Google Photos, so you can download from them. And be sure to join that group, because I will be dropping some dope wallpapers. So peace out. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.